go ahead and apply your foundation, concealer, and primer so we can get started. So the first thing I am doing is I'm taking my Beauty Gems eyeshadow palette, using this blush color and just putting it around my eyes with a blush brush. In case it's not obvious, I am patting with the brush instead of swiping, so the makeup comes out somewhat heavier. Next, I'm taking this very pale skin-toned eyeshadow, and I'm applying it onto my eyelid. I know it's very hard to see. And next, I'm putting a very white eyeshadow and blending it with my fingers. And for this orange eyeshadow, you will want to apply it into your crease and your outer corner. And of course, blend it out. And the final step is this very dark brown eyeshadow that I'm putting in my outer corners and heavily blending out. And for the final step with the eyes, I'm just using this white eyeshadow again for my inner corners to highlight my inner corners. You're not going to always agree with how I do my makeup, especially my eyeliner, but I just want to copy Sophie's eye shape, so for this, I'm doing a standard line with no wing. I'm out of eyelash glue as I'm filming and editing this, so I'm just going to coat some mascara on and call it a day. I know, eyelashes are really essential to having bigger eyes, but I'm out of eyelash glue. I'm sorry. Also, sorry for the really frizzy wig. I should have brushed it. I never brushed it. Okay, now we're done with the eye makeup, and we're moving on to the eyebrows. I'm using a NYX Jumbo White Eyeliner. And for this, you want to lightly apply it, so it's more effective. This is a makeup trick that can make your eyebrows any light color. If you have light brown eyebrows or any brown eyebrows, this is probably optional for you, but I'm very serious when it comes to having my eyebrow color match my wig, so that's what I'm going to do for this tutorial. The eyeshadow I'm using on my eyebrows is a shimmery silver eyeshadow from Ulta Beauty, and again, I'm going to lightly swipe as I apply it. Now I feel like with any female cosplay I do, I'll want to wear blush. I'm using the same blush color I used in my eyes earlier in the video, and I'm just putting that under my eyes on my top cheeks. And you don't want, if it's too heavy, then wipe some of it off or just lightly go back with some concealer or some foundation. Now for the lips, I'm using a red lip liner and only applying it to the middle of my lips. Then I'm taking a peach toned lipstick from Ulta Beauty and applying that around the red. I do kind of fuck this up by puckering my lips. Yeah, I think that's what you call it. But it's still a very pretty lip look, and I can't really complain. And that is how I do my Sophie Hatter makeup from Howls Moving Castle. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I feel like this is my most improved Sophie makeup since last year when I started doing it. But thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this.